welcome to or back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be drawing 3 hairstyles digitally, and in honor of the upcoming holiday, I've made one of them pink. Before we get too far into the video, make sure to subscribe and ring that bell. So let's get started. The first hairstyle that I'm drawing is under the sea themed in the sense of the color palette that I used and because of the beach wave hairstyle. I wanted to give the effect that the subject was just swimming, and even though her hair is wet, the waves are still present. As I wanted to give the drawing a magical mermaid kind of theme, I decided to add in a few other colors that I thought paired together nicely. I also cleaned up the edges a bit because I know my initial sketches can be a little messy. Here I've started adding more detail like fine strands and shading while still trying to maintain the look of wet hair. As I said in the intro, because of Valentine's Day being just around the corner, I've decided to draw a hairstyle with it in mind. And what better hairstyle to sum up the holiday than bright pink silky waves? Once I finished the outline, I started adding some vague shading and tried to accentuate the waves in the subject's hair. If you're looking for a quick tip on how to make waves and curls more realistic, then try to draw, shade, and highlight with the movement of the hair. That basically means follow your outline or initial sketch's lines. finish this drawing, I blended the colors a bit more and added a few extra highlights to make the waves and texture of the hair stand out. Then came the final drawing. I'm not gonna lie, I had trouble figuring out what inspiration to use for this last hairstyle. And after a while, I decided to have this one stand out as naturally colored hair. I love drawing brightly colored hair, so this was good practice of creating something that I haven't in a while. Next thing I did was add some darker shading, which made the drawing start to look more 3D and realistic. After that, I blended the tones and shades so they fell a little more smoothly. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for new videos every Friday and Sunday.